Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can get the Platinum Alchemy Formula in Crimson Desert. So the first thing first, I'm going to show you where I am on the map right now. So you've got the town of Herdnan just there, then you've got the Witchwoods to the southwest, and then further beyond that you've got this complex here, which if you look on the map is pretty much directly southwest. It's a vast complex, so you can't really miss it. It really stands out. It's kind of like this giant magical academia center, and when you get here basically at the Scholar Stone Institute, what you want to do is come up to the entrance here, and I'm just going to talk you through this due to the size of this place. It's just basically, I'm going to leave this as it is, and I'll walk you through the entire thing as we go just to save on confusion. I won't edit this out. You're basically going to come to this courtyard here with this huge disc ball there thing, this suspended globe, and then what you want to do is just come up through the main entrance here. This is all fairly standard, and then we come up the stairs just here through this giant archway, and then when you come through the giant archway you're going to be given several options. You can either turn left or right, but in our case we actually just want to go straight on. So we want to come up either sets of these stairs to this door just here, and then when you come up the stairs you want to get to this doorway. This will magically open up, and then when you come through this doorway here you're going to come into the library. Now a couple of things with this. What you want to do is just carry on the ground floor past these floating books. You're going to see this shop vendor just here as well. His name's Brenton. And basically what you want to do after you see Brenton is come to this area just here. You're going to have a set of stairs on either side. It doesn't matter which one you go up. They join each other at the top like such. And then you're basically going to be on the first floor of the library. And what you want to do from here is take the left, not the right. You want to come down left here past all of these books, and then when you do that you're going to come to this corridor corner just here. You're going to take this, hold up your candle just here, your lantern, and here you can see I have the alchemy for the formula for platinum. There we go. Then we can go ahead and study that, and now we know the alchemy recipe for platinum. So it's really as easy as that, guys. Really hope that tutorial helps. Please do drop a like and subscribe if it did. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.